Hey, what's up? It's Derek with Defiant Wheels, and it's springtime again. That means we're talking summer wheel and tire packages. One thing we see with our customers is that sometimes they run that winter wheel package a little too long. What most people overlook though is with those winter tires, when the temperatures start to rise, the tread starts to wear out quicker, they get a little noisier, and your handling's a lot softer. So that's where Defiant Wheels comes in. Because every single Defiant wheel is built around a target vehicle, we take care of all of the guesswork. They're engineered to fit with no modifications, so you don't have to worry about bolt pattern or spacers or having any vibration issues. Nor do you have to worry about trimming the fender wells to make them fit. So if you're looking to upgrade your truck or SUV with a nice brand new set of wheels and tires for the summer or the rest of the year, now that winter's gone, we have wheel and tire packages that we can ship mounted and balanced straight to your door. They show up ready to install, basically just bolt on and go. Check us out, defiantwheel.com.